Today we're at Lookout Point in Caversham in Dunedin, and the team's working on the bridge, NZTA project. There's been a bridge pour happen today, concrete settlement slab. We've also got some of the guys doing footpaths, guardrails and pavement construction.
This project here, lots of teams from down are involved. It's led by our projects community with a large amount of input from infrastructure services, including surfacing, the ITS, technical services. So we've got really a full range of the Downer offerings all in one place really.
The Downer teams involved in this project come from across all the communities. The project is led by the projects team, but we've got significant input from infrastructure services, from products and technology solutions. So each team's had their own part to play. It's all been significant in making it a successful project.
Collaboration's been a really important part for this project because essentially we're quite a small operation, and to pull off a project of this size and complexity, it really required the expertise of the projects team to come and have oversight, but then utilising the local resources to backfill and provide that additional support.
Our team takes safety very seriously. We're in a very public location when we're working on traffic signals and VMSs as part of our work. We'll always make sure that we're keeping the public safe as well as ourselves, and one of our biggest mantras is if it's not safe, we won't do it.
One of the areas where we've been able to make this project a success at a community level is in the valley. We had a little animal called a Pripitus. It's about 1 inch long, and it's a biological cross between a worm and a spider, something that was very different, if not unique. We were able to come together with Downer and Transport Agency, we were able to come together and work on managing that ecological impact. There were working bees that were set up that Downer led and made happen with a supply of bricks or equipment or manpower just to pull things around, because that was a case of not picking up the little animals, because they're only say 1 inch long. It was a case of relocating habitats, and that was a key area outside of normal construction activity. We were able to make this project just one more success factor for this project.